Here's a quick walkthrough on how to assemble the Rev Tent, and you only have to do this once. The Rev Tent comes in 2 boxes, easy for one person to move and carry. One box contains the quilted mattress cover and the soft mattress foam. The other box contains the tent, the poles, the stakes, the guy lines, and the bottom components of the mattress. After laying out all the pieces, you'll want to build the mattress. Just insert the hard foam on the bottom and the soft foam on top. Then zip it up. Next, open all the windows. The Rev Tent's windows can also be doors, and the doors can also be used as windows. And there's 4 of them. Put the mattress in the tent. You'll have to do a bit of a shimmy to get it in, and slide it all the way through. Then just give the center a bit of a push to lock it down into place. Next, you'll want to insert the poles. The longer poles go in the center sleeves. The medium poles slide into the sleeves on the end. Note that the poles remain in the sleeves and never have to be removed. Now you can put the hoop poles inside and zip it up for transport to your campsite, or continue to set up the tent. If you want to see how to pitch the tent, watch our How to Pitch a Rev Tent Quickie video. Pro tip: install a couple coat hooks and store your tent on your garage wall, out of the way and ready for your next camping adventure. And please hit the subscribe button for more C6 content.